Generally, I have given you already, that is, what is atom? Atom is the smallest particle that cannot be separated further. It is the smallest substance in a given matter or given compound. See, one gold material I have taken. In gold, you have n number of gold atoms. So, in that gold atom, you will be finding only gold atoms. If you come to silver, copper, iron, and if you take sodium, magnesium, so similarly all these substances will have their atoms. So atom means it is the smallest particle that cannot be further divided, which we have already discussed. Here, when you mix atoms, you will find molecule. As example, I have given you, that is sodium Na. Sodium is the 11th atom. When it is mixed with chlorine, that is 17th element, sodium and chlorine mix with these two atoms are going to form a molecule or a compound called sodium chloride, NaCl. Now you can see here, sodium is one atom, chlorine is another atom. These two atoms are going to combine and form sodium chloride, NaCl. Like this, when two atoms mix with each other, they form a molecule. When atom is allowed to have mixed with another atom, in the sense when these atoms are combined and forms ions. When sodium Na plus and chlorine becomes Cl minus, then it will become as NaCl. Now you will have a doubt that what is Na plus, what is Cl minus. Here I wrote Na and chlorine, that is Cl. These two mix with each other and it forms NaCl, isn't it? Now here I wrote in the next step, Na plus is mixed with Cl minus and it will give you NaCl. Here sodium is an atom, here chlorine is an atom. These two atoms are going to mix. When these two atoms are going to mix, in the sense when they form their ions. So Na is a cation and chlorine is Na is a anion and chlorine is a cation. So negative ions are called cations, positive ions are called anions. So sodium here is an anion and chlorine is a cation. So how these are going to become ions, in the sense sodium is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s1. Now sodium is having Na 1s2, 2s2, 2p6. So first shell is filled, second shell is also filled, third shell it has only one electron. So this wants to give away one electron and want to have neon electronic configuration to have stability. To become stable ion, it wants to give away one electron, and chlorine, when you look into Cl minus, why it becomes Cl minus? Here 1s2 first shell is filled, second shell 2s2 2p6 second shell is filled, third shell when it comes to third shell it wants 1 electron. Now here sodium is going to give away 1 electron and chlorine wants 1 electron. Now these are mixed with each other. Sodium gives 1 electron, chlorine takes that electron and chlorine is taking that electron, that is why it is having negative charge, and sodium is giving electron, that is why it acquires positive charge. So here sodium gives 1 electron and it has become sodium positive ion. This positive ion is called anion. Anion. This chlorine, when you look into, chlorine becomes a cation. So sodium and chlorine, these two mix with each other and give you sodium chloride. Now sodium mixed with chlorine and gives you sodium chloride. Similarly, you have other substances also. Magnesium is having Mg2 plus and reacts with chlorine 1 minus, that is minus 1 minus or minus, anything you can write, minus or 1 minus. This will give you magnesium chloride, MgCl2. So I have given you clear idea already. In 9th standard you have crisscross method. In crisscross method you have magnesium 2 plus Cl minus. The crisscross method states that 2 will go to chlorine, 1 will come to magnesium. That is why magnesium chloride you have arrived at. So 2 has come to chlorine, 1 has come to magnesium. So here you can observe magnesium reacts with chlorine and give you magnesium chloride. Right, magnesium and chlorine reacts with each other and it will give you magnesium chloride. Magnesium and chlorine reacts with each other and it will give you magnesium chloride. Similarly, there are so many substances like magnesium chloride, calcium carbonate, CaCO3, then Na2SO4, sodium sulfate, then H2SO4, sulfuric acid, HNO3, nitric acid, then sodium carbonate, Na2CO3, sodium bicarbonate, NaHCO3. Now these are all different molecules formed by mixture of atoms. Just now we saw when a cation of magnesium reacts with anion of magnesium reacts with the chlorine, that is cation, and it forms magnesium chloride. Here also the calcium is anion, reacts with the carbon, carbon monoxide, and it will give you CaCO3. So Na, that is sodium, reacts with sulfate and it will give you sodium sulfate. So here there are so many substances have formed by combining of anion and cation and they are going to give you a substance.